Been a little inconsistent on the old social media here for good reason. However, next week we're back to as normal as it can be, back to making videos, back to creating content and finishing projects. We've got to pull the cams out of the engine, which reminds me, there's something really cool about this engine. Holy distracted kid here. Check this out. This engine, right on the side of it. I mean, C10, when that thing's right up, C10. It was a match made in heaven. So we've got some work to do on that still. Got to finish up some welding. We're gonna pull the engine and transmission out of that. But I finally got my black truck back. I haven't been driving that thing since November. So that's exciting. The DOD has been deleted. The transmission issue has been repaired, all under warranty, and it runs awesome. It's supercharged. That's a really fun truck to drive. I've had a lift kit for that thing from Rough Country for, gosh, man, I'm gonna say 8 months. So we're gonna get that down this week and start putting that on the black truck. Gonna do some more progress on Deadwood. So that's where we're gonna pick up where we left off.